want you all to think about a future in education where what you're learning, what you're developing competency in, is far beyond the confines of these buildings, of your classrooms.
We don't always do a great job of celebrating our teachers. When you think about sports, they have gold medals, they have most valuable player awards. In entertainment, we have Oscars and Emmys and Grammys. But isn't it odd that the one profession that prepares all of those other professions to be successful hasn't had that same kind of recognition? The Milken Family Foundation set out to change that. We are going to present a Milken Educator Award, the only one in Wyoming this year, to a teacher at Jackson Hole High School. The Milken Educator Award goes to Collin Binko.
I have the best job in the world, and that job is building this community that these kids out here get to be a part of. I'm super fortunate to get to come to work every day and to build that with all of you. So I'm getting choked up, so I'll keep it short, but thank you. I'm honored. I care about all of you. This is what it's all about. Thank you for being part of our community.
Winning the Milken Award, it gives you that confidence and that agency to really take that next step. I mean, that's what it was for me, and I think that's what it'll be for him as well. He's already doing some amazing things.
His work is really cross-disciplinary, so it's not just about music. It's how does music then apply to those other core areas that maybe they're not otherwise as interested in.
He's just so kind and thoughtful, and every time we're in class, he has so much energy no matter what's going on, and he's always a friendly face in the hallways, and he's always smiling and always just so happy, and so it's just really great to see such an amazing teacher teaching something I love.
Music really shows its power. It can be a thing that gets kids excited about school. This gives them something that they could feel that they're a part of something bigger than themselves.
Da, da, dee, da, 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 dee.
Nice, that was probably one of the best times you guys played that. Bravo on that.